Please, I want to show you guys how to calibrate and how to check and calibrate a Topcon total station OS series. So here is the checking. Let me check it. You just put your instrument on the coordinators. So without doing that, it's on. The level, you check the level before calibrate it. Can you see? Before you do the coordination. Look at this here. That's the error on the equipment. Can you see? After doing that, your bisect your coordinators. See, after doing that, you have to bisect your coordinators very well. Can you see? This is the error on the instrument. So after doing that, you go to your calibrators. You go to your calibrations. You see, this face left. That's okay. After doing that, okay, you turn it to 360 degree. Starting that, you press. That's we are on phase 2. So you enter it and make it yes. You go to coordinators and back. Come back to your starting point. That's the face left and the face right. can look at this phase 1 of the calibrators. Okay, it's taking us to go back to phase 2. Okay, you target your coordinators back. So bisect. And you enter it. So after doing that, you confirm the coordinators, which one is zero set. So it's yes. You now come back to check your starting point back and see. And you'll unlock the instrument. You now level it back and check. This is where we are after finishing the calibration. We come back to this point, and level the instrument very well. Level it, come back here and check. We are doing this after we calibrate the instrument. After we finish the coordinators, can you see it? Can you look at it? That's 04. Come back here and check back again. We are going to remove the 4 that was there. The 4 showing here. Come back here. Let's remove the 4 here. Are you sure? Okay. Are you here? Come back here and check.